This is problem 1 of the College Algebra Final Exam Review. You're given 2 points, 4, -5, and 3, 2, and you're asked to find the distance between those points. For that, we use this formula. D equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 all squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all squared. So our job is simply to throw things into that formula and remember that formula for test day. But one of the things that you can do to make it easier is to label the coordinates. If we label the points x sub 1 and y sub 1, x sub 2 and y sub 2, that's going to make it easier when we plug it into that formula. Putting those values as we've designated them into the formula, I get 3 minus 4 in parentheses and squared plus 2 minus a -5 in parentheses and squared. That minus a minus cluster we got to clean up before we do the squaring. But otherwise, there isn't any difference between me calling that point x1, y1 and that one x2, y2, and you at home calling the one on top x2, y2 and the one on bottom x1, y1. You're going to get the same result either way. 3 minus 4 is a -1. 2 minus a -5 becomes 2 plus 5, or 7. And as we clean up that radical on the inside before we take the square root value itself, we get 1 plus 49 is 50. Now square root of 50 is our answer. That's the distance that we're trying to represent, but that answer can be reduced. So you would want to take it an extra step and break that radical up into the square root of 25 times 2, or the square root of 25 times the square root of 2, or the ultimate answer, which is 5 square roots of 2. On your final exam, if you see that under multiple choices, 5 over square root of 2 is the best answer.